Hello and welcome. Hi, my name is Maria Cristina Butron, and I will be reporting about the mining industry. Before I start my presentation, let me tell you something. Imagine going to work each day knowing your safety isn't guaranteed. In Swedish mining, this used to be the reality, but over the past 30 years, safety initiatives have had big changes. This transformation shows the power of prioritizing safety. The mining industry is under growing pressure to reduce its environmental impact, require the adoption of sustainable measures, and green technologies. However, technology resistance, high cost, and uncertain markets are issues that have not yet been overcome. Addressing these barriers requires collaboration between the government, businesses, and society. This report explored on carbon reduction policies, corporate environmentalism, and funding for research, as well as the post-mining environment and collaboration with the government to incorporate appropriate measures into operations. And now, let's go to the analysis. Here are my analysis. First, adopting sustainable practice, such as technological advancements, corporate environmental responsibility, and funding for R&D, which is research and development. Number two, integrating technological innovations, automation and robotics, AI and big data in resource extraction, socioeconomic impact on mining communities, displacement of human labor. And the third one, enhancing safety measures, mechanization and automation to reduce accidents, organizational changes improve safety culture, and number four, ensuring regulatory compliance, monitoring and responding to regulatory changes, transparency and reporting to the stakeholders. Now, let's move on. Adopting sustainable practices. Sustainability in mining operations involve overcoming barriers such as technology resistance and high cost. Key strategies include adopting technological advancements, embracing corporate environmental responsibility, and funding research and development to foster green innovation. Integrating technological innovations such as automation, robotics, and AI are transforming the mining industry. While these technologies increase efficiency and productivity, they also pose challenges like job displacement and regional economic imbalance, requiring careful management and reskilling efforts. Enhancing safety measures. Safety is a top priority in mining, with a focus on reducing mechanical failures and improving safety culture. Over the past 30 years, advancement in technology and organizational changes have significantly improved safety in mining, as seen in the case of the Swedish mining industry. Additionally, good relations and proper communication among mining employees are important for building a strong safety culture and reducing workplace accidents. Ensuring regulatory compliance is essential for sustainable mining. Companies must stay updated on changes in regulations and adhere to high ethical standards. Engaging in a global reporting initiatives and maintaining transparency are key to building trust with stakeholders and avoiding penalties. Alternatives and recommendations. Embracing green methods to reduce emissions, investing in research and development, reskilling displaced workers, and maintaining strict compliance with local and international regulations. These strategies will ensure that the mining industry remains sustainable, safe, and socially responsible. Integrating sustainability, technology, safety, and compliance into mining operations is essential for long-term success. By adopting green technologies, improving safety measures, and adhering to global standards, the mining industry can minimize its environmental impact and contribute to a healthier and more sustainable future. As we dig deeper into the earth, we must also dig deeper into our commitment to sustainability, safety, and ethical responsibility. Because the worth of mining is not on its extraction of value from the ground, but how we leave the world for future generations. Thank you and have a wonderful day.